Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a foreign TikTok account here in Nigeria or in any other country you are and you want a foreign US or a UK TikTok account. I'll be showing you how to create that right now without paying a dime. Firstly, you have to know that there are many benefits of having a UK or a US TikTok account, and some of the benefits are listed below. After you reach some certain criteria, you'll be given access to direct monetization, where you have access to their creator fund and creator rewards program, where you'll be paid for the views you get on your videos. Also, having a US or a UK TikTok account guarantees you higher earning. If you are here in Nigeria, you will know that Nigerians are not eligible for payment on TikTok. Our creator reward program has not been enabled, so you can't earn with your TikTok account if you are in Nigeria. But if you are using a UK or a US TikTok account, you have the opportunity to earn money for your content. Also, having a UK or a US account can expose you to brand deals and others, where you get paid for promoting other people's product on your platform. Also, having a US or a UK TikTok account will give you the leverage of a wider audience, right? You can literally reach a wider audience with that TikTok account. And also, the last but not the least, it gives you access to TikTok Shop. Now, a TikTok Shop is just a platform on TikTok where you can put out your affiliate product, where people or your followers can actually buy products from you and make and you yourself will make a sale from it. Now, if you have watched up to this point, I create video about making money online and how you can grow your YouTube channel from zero to start. If that is something you like, kindly hit on the like button and subscribe down. Now, I'll show you how to create that account in less than 4 minutes. Now, this tutorial is going to be the easiest tutorial you're going to see. Now, the three things you actually need to create a foreign TikTok account if you are here in Nigeria are: number one, you need a VPN, right? You need a VPN. Number two, you need to download the TikTok app, right? And number three, you need a new Gmail address. One, I said you need a VPN. Two, you need to download the TikTok app. And number three, you need to create a new Gmail address. Now, I don't need to take you or blab you about how to create a Gmail address. You know how to do that. And I'm just going to start how to use the VPN. So, for convenience purposes, download this VPN here, VPNify. So we're gonna log into VPNify, and we're gonna choose our location to United States. Now, to do that, just hit on the select server here. Scroll down and you see United States. It's because I tapped it here, that's why I saying it. Just click on it, and though it will show some ads on the background, it finally show connected at the top of your phone. Then from there you can continue, right? So we're just gonna wait for this. As you can see, it is connected. Now that our VPN, to also check if it's really connected, just scroll down. You see the VPN side at the top here. Now that we are sure that we are connected, we'll go back, and remember, you need to create a new email address. I already have an email address for this, so I'll just head on to TikTok like this, and I will go straight to my profile, and I'll hit on this, and I'll hit on this add accounts, right? Now, this is the normal setup page for creating a TikTok account. The fact that I'm Nigerian, you can see the phone, our phone dialer here, +234. Now you have to ignore that. Don't put your number. Come to where you see continue with Google. Just hit on continue with Google and click on continue. And yes, a page is going to pop up where you will be asked to choose an email address you want to use. So I'm going to use the second one here. I'm going to click on it. And after clicking on it, you just have to wait. Scroll down, click on continue. Then you just wait for TikTok to process that. And yes, And I'm going to choose my date of birth. I'm going to blur this so that you don't see. Right, so I'm going to choose my date of birth. Hit on continue. And yes, so you can create your nickname. So I'm going to create my nickname right here. I'm going to hit on continue. And you just have to wait for TikTok to actually process this. And yes, now we have to solve the puzzle. So I don't want this puzzle. Okay, I think we can solve the puzzle. Yes. Okay, this is correct. Then you wait for TikTok to process this, and boom, this is our TikTok account created. Now, this is the TikTok account created. As you can see, this didn't take any more time. So now, this is how you know whether your TikTok account is foreign, UK or US, or you just made a mistake. Now, we'll just hit on the three dots right here, and you hit on balance, right? Now, hitting on balance, we should see GBP, that is Great Britain pounds or USD. As you can see, this is a US TikTok account, and if it is UK you created, you're going to see GBP, right? Now, if you found this video helpful, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and I will see you in the next one. This is the most easiest tutorial you'll see online on how to create a foreign TikTok account in 2026. See you.